What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we are installing the Rallybacker Fender flares for the NC Miata. So we're gonna take these, I've already pre-drilled them, at least in all the holes around the edges. We're gonna mark holes for this, do a little bit of cutting, and yeah, we're gonna install these today. This will be your typical install video. I hope you guys have had a wonderful Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you got to see your family, your friends, whoever, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. We're 950 subscribers right now, so if we can get close to 1,000 by the end of the year, that would be pretty awesome. So thanks for watching, guys, and let's get started. Basically what we need to do next here is get these fit where they need to be. And then basically we're going to have to cut on this inner edge here. And I just want to kind of mark where that might be. You can see here we have a couple the little dots marked where we need to drill. That means we can cut through this area, basically all up through here. I'm gonna leave the bumper intact, and this edge down here will remain the same too. So I just need to kind of double check on what part I need to not cut, and then we'll cut into that. So as you can see from here, there's actually two layers of metal. There's this underside here, and then this outer layer right here. So I think I'm gonna have to try to cut this next. Hopefully that goes pretty easy. Once we get this done, we should be able to put the over fender on. So let's get this side knocked out. All right, after a lot of prying, we got this piece off. So that's the outer seam. Now you can see there's an inner seam. You can see it a lot better now. It's just held in with this seam sealer and some little holes where there's like kind of like a riveting. So they're held in by that. Now we just need to go back in, cut this outside part, and should be good. All right, so inner skin is now removed. I got these cutting discs. These are what I'm using, these Dremel brand metal cutting discs. That worked a lot quicker than the other ones that I was using. So definitely recommend those if you're gonna do this. Now I'm just taking a little sanding wheel, just gonna clean up around the edges here. It actually came out looking anticipated. But I think it looks awesome. It covers everything up that was even there. And right here looks good. Once we get some wheels on it, it's gonna look awesome. I'm super happy with that. I wanted to do something like this forever. So yeah, I'm gonna hop on over to the other side and do this side, and then we'll drop the car down, and then I'll show you everything with the wheels on. But definitely makes it a little bit wider in the rear. I think it looks awesome. All right, here's just a quick sample. I threw the wheel on. So with it at like positive camber, it's pretty close, but obviously still too far. So from this angle, it's gonna look fine because you can't tell how wide the wheel is. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna move over to the other side. I'm not gonna film any of it. I'm just gonna knock it out and then show you guys once we're done, but it's basically the same process. Cut the outer skin, cut the inner skin, drill the holes, fender flare on, and lower the car back down. Here it is, it's done. Everything is on this side, car's lowered down. Everything is on this side. I have to say, it came out really as perfect as I could get it, I think. I mean, I think it looks awesome. So there it is in the back. You can see it's definitely a little bit wider back there. Comes around, it'll look much more aggressive once new wheels are here, or whatever wheels we end up getting. But yeah, so there it is. Kind of what the rear profile looks like, and you can see how much wider it is right there. It went from being really like that and that. So we definitely added a few inches to both sides, probably making the rear end about maybe 6 inches wider all around, maybe 8, but that's just a guess. So yeah, there it is, Rallybacker fender flares for the NC Miata. So all we need now is the front bumper to come in, which should be here at the beginning of next month, which is January. So once that's done, we'll have completely come out clean the other side as far as accidents go. I'm so excited about this. No more bumps, no more dents, no more scratches, because we have some beautiful looking fender flares. And I think they match really well with the rear only, and the front with it being kind of, you know, flared already a little bit. I think it works fine. I like it. I think this looks really good. I preferred this over like the Super 40 ones, I think they're what they're called. Super 40 or the Flying Miata, Carbon Miata, whichever ones. You guys know which other ones there are. But I went with these. I really like these, and I think the car looks absolutely amazing with them. Just need some new wheels or something. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I try to make videos like this all the time. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. And be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Leave your comments and feedback on these videos. So I hope you guys had an awesome December. I'm gonna continue to try to make little vlogs throughout the week, continue on with that holiday vlogs, but forever vlogs now, because it's kind of fun when I get stuff. And I can clue you in on new things that I get or want to do before a random video comes out. So I'll continue to do that. So thank you guys for subscribing, and everyone who leaves their comments and feedback and everything. I love interacting with everyone. Remember, live streams on Friday, so jump in on Friday and we can talk cars and whatever else you want to talk about. Anyways, I'll quit rambling on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're excited for the future of the car and the rest of the mods. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.